Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be taking a look at my 84-piece Gearwrench bit socket set, and that's the wrong drawer. So I've had this set for close to 10 years, maybe 8 to 10 years. Fantastic. Now, I've only used this set as weekend warrior DIYer set. I have a separate set for at work, but I've been using it here at home and no problems. Now keep in mind, this is kind of my secondary set that I get into when I either need long bit sockets or I need something out of the ordinary, because in my main box up here I keep my main Allens that I'll use as far as bit sockets, and then I also have another set of Allens and Torx here. But anytime I need something with extra length or I need a smaller one, I like these 1/4 inch ones. Now, I will be honest, don't use these 1/2 inch drives very much. Same thing with the E-Torx or external Torx. I use this one over here anytime I work on the pulley system, because the whole pulley setup on the Camaro uses studs with the star, so that's what I use that for. But getting into this set, I also have impact rated ones, so I don't ever put these on impacts or anything like that. I will, at the end of this video, recommend some other brands that you can consider if you're looking to save a little bit of money, or if you're just interested in a different size set. But I'll also mention a few that are around the same price, and then one or two that may be a little bit more expensive. And it also depends on where you purchase this and when you purchase it. It can either be a fantastic deal or a okay deal. So you're gonna have all three drive sizes. You got 1/4 inch, you got 3/8, you got 1/2 inch, and then you got your E-Torx, and then you have Torx and ball Allen. And I keep these in the box all the time. I do not take these outside. I have cheaper ones or other sets that I'll take outside. This is kind of laid out in the drawer, so it's just easier to keep them in here. And I always fill my box with these to try and prevent rusting of any of them, but they've held up well. Now getting into the longer bits, these over here, you got T8, 10, 15, 20, 25, 27, 30, all in 1/4 inch, and then it steps up to 3/8 for T40, T45, 50. And then you have your ball Allens, which are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see. I've had to warranty one of the ball Allens, and then I can't remember if it was the T20 or T25, but when I received the set, it had two of the same in here, so I had to get one of them replaced, so I had all of them. And that's 9 and 10 over here. As far as 1/4 inch drive, the shallows all up in this top row, 8 through 27, and then you have your tamper-proof 8 through, where's my T30? Oh yeah, that was one I never swapped. I have no T30, and I have an extra 4mm Allen or hex, because I also have one here. So I think I remember warrantying the 15 or the 20, and then after I did that and went through the hassle of getting one of the ball Allens replaced, then I realized the T30 was missing, and I just never got around to it because I have so many other sets. This was just my first big set, so while it's not my go-to, it's still one that I use on a pretty regular basis. So there you can see all of the Torx, tamper-proof Torx, Allens in both metric and SAE. The SAE goes up to 1/4 inch. Then you move into this row, and that's going to be all 3/8 drive, T30, 40. Maybe that was another reason I never got the 30 replaced, because I have another T30 just in 3/8 drive, 40, 45, 50, 55, and then you also have your tamper-proof, same thing, 40, 45, 50, 55, and then you move into your Allens, 6 through 10, and then 7/32 to 3/8. And I have used some of these larger Allens, and they've held up just fine. but I will say I think I've only used some of these half-inch drives like a handful of times, maybe 3 or 4 times. And then you have T60 and T60 tamper-proof, but they are quite thick. They're shorter, so I'm sure they'll hold up just fine. The only ones I'm super careful with are when I'm working with smaller Torx and then when I'm working with the ball Allens. And then as far as E-Torx, you have E4 through E16. No skips up until E10, then it skips to 12, 14, and 16. Then you have 18, 20, 22, and 24. But honestly, it's been a really good set for weekend warrior DIYer stuff. I'm sure in the professional field, it'll do just fine to a point. It doesn't really matter what brand you go with. Some of the best ones out there, especially long bits, whether they're ball Allens or just your standard Torx, it is very common and easy to break these bits. So here at home, I'm just careful with this set, but once again, I'm only in here for primarily these smaller guys, as well as my longer ones when I need them. I also picked up triple squares a long time ago, and honestly, this was back when I was going to go to the dealership and work, and never ended up doing that because I got hired onto the race team as a mechanic, so I got all my tools supplied to me, so I never ended up taking those to work, and I don't use them on any of my personal vehicles, but I can't get myself to get rid of them. But I keep multiple other bit sockets on hand. As far as the brand, I know I have some DeWalt, and then I have some Carlisle, then I have some Power Torque, and some Duralast, and some more DeWalt. So I mean, I have tons of different bit sockets. That's kind of a mix and match of other Torx and Allens in both metric and SAE, as far as Allens. And Torx are just kind of a mix of a few different brands as well. But it generally covers what I need it to, and then I have that for anything that those don't cover. But some suggestions. If you're interested in this set, there are some others to consider. If you're just looking for cheaper, larger sets, you can look at Husky. A lot of those hardware store brands will have sets similar to this. They'll also have smaller sets. I just like this because of its variety and how much it had. But then Vivor on Amazon also has a set that's very similar to this, under 100. Mayuko and Rimcolo, they're just random Amazon brands, but they have sets very, very similar to this. Some of them are over 100-piece sets, like a 107-piece set. I'll have a couple of them linked down in the description. If you're looking for a large set under $100 or around that $100 price range, those are good options if you're looking for variety. This 84-piece set, there are multiple other 87-piece sets that are very, very similar to this. I'm sure a lot of these come out of the same factories that are priced really well. So that's just something to keep in mind. This set, though, it's available, what is it, Tractor Supply or Ace Hardware? One of those will typically have it for around $75, which is a fantastic price for this set. Now, on Amazon, most of the time, it'll fluctuate between like 100 and 140. I probably wouldn't pay over 110 for this just because a lot of times throughout the year, you can catch it between or just under 100. Under 100, it's a buy. Over 100, I wouldn't pay over 110 for it just because of all the other options out there. But it will get up there sometimes to like 140 or something like that. Sometimes I've seen it around 170. It's definitely a no-go at that price. Quinn has one for $100. That's also a great option at Harbor Freight. Capri also has quite a few options. Their larger sets similar to this are going to be over 100, and then Tecton is also going to have a few sets larger than this, or maybe not larger, but larger sets that are going to be over 100 as well. And then you can find smaller sets from them as well, but they have a lot of variety because like, obviously, I'm still limited on long Torx and long Allens. They're not, there's much larger sets out there, but I just like the variety in this set. So it's been good to me over the years for the amount that I've used it. Really good option for Weekend Warriors DIYers. So I will have this set as well as many of the others that I mentioned linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. But other than that, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.